How long does it take to transfer a gift card balance to PayPal?
Hello everyone. Welcome to our comprehensive tutorial on how long it takes to transfer a gift card balance to PayPal. Today we will discuss how the process works and give you an estimate of how long you can expect the transfer to take.
Can you transfer a gift card balance to PayPal?
First, it's crucial to understand that not all gift cards can be transferred to PayPal. Only certain gift cards have the flexibility to be transferred. If your gift card does have this option, you will need to link it to your PayPal account as a new debit/credit card. However, this is not a feature supported by all gift card providers or PayPal in all regions. So, the first thing you should do is verify if this operation is possible with your specific gift card and PayPal account.
How long does the transfer process take?
The transfer time for a gift card balance to PayPal largely depends on the specific card provider and PayPal's processing times. In general, if the operation is supported, the process is usually instantaneous. Once you've linked the gift card as a debit/credit card and confirmed the details, the balance should reflect in your PayPal account almost immediately. However, please remember that there could be potential delays due to various reasons such as the need for additional verification, network issues, or delays in processing by your gift card provider or PayPal. It is therefore recommended to allow for a few hours to a full day for the entire process.
What if the transfer doesn't work?
In case you are unable to transfer your gift card balance to PayPal, or if the process takes longer than a day, you should contact PayPal's customer service or your gift card provider for further assistance. There might be limitations or issues that you are unaware of that are preventing the transfer. So there you have it, folks. Transferring your gift card balance to PayPal, if supported, is typically an instantaneous process. But always remember to have a buffer of up to 24 hours for potential delays. If you have any more issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer service. We hope this video has been helpful to you. Happy transferring!